All right, here we are at Carteret Mobile Park, and here comes, oh my gosh, look how cute that little porch is. This is awesome. Oh, wait, you need to go. Oh my.
Go.
Look how beautiful. This is fantastic. What a pretty house. He's got to back it in. We got our construction foreman helping out. Mr. Dolan. Oh my gosh, how adorable. Wonderful, beautiful windows. Like I said, this is half of the house, and the other half will be arriving tomorrow. This is a full drywall house, which came out of Claysburg, Pennsylvania. It's about 6 hours away. Wow, these guys are pros. They know how to maneuver. It's beautiful. Hey Mark, how are you? Thank you. This is awesome. There's Mark. Did a great job. There's our project foreman with his son and our construction foreman with his son. This is a small family business. Mr. Dolan is the brains behind all this. And we've got our nephew, our son, and takes a whole family to make this happen. Thank you, Mark. It's beautiful. Great job. Oh, this porch is so cute. Oh, this is a whole new era in Carteret Mobile Park. We're delivering and designing innovative, quality manufactured homes from Redmond Homes, which is a division of Champion Homes. So we'll get this house put together in about 3 months, no, maybe less, 3 months time? Okay, I'm guessing, so can't mark my words for it. Look how good this guy does this. On a dime. Most of these men who deliver the manufactured homes, again, are also small family businesses, and it's one generation after the other that moves the homes. They're out from Pennsylvania, salt of the earth people. Look at that. Perfecto. And then the other half will go here tomorrow. Hey guys! Hey, I like that American flag behind you. Mr. Dolan, would you care to say a few words?
Beautiful house. This is, as Maria had said earlier, it's the first half of a double wide, and the first one that we did here with a front porch on it.
Very nice.
So we have this one, which is already sold, and we're going to have a second one that'll be coming in about 3 weeks, just like this with the front porch.
So this one's sold, but the other one will be for sale.
That's right.
All right. Email me info@dolanhomes.com.